Unlock the full potential of your metalworking projects with our comprehensive 12-piece stake set. Delve into a diverse selection of stakes tailored to elevate your crafting endeavors. Explore an assortment of styles, from convex to flat and concave patterns, meticulously crafted for versatility in metal forming, raising, shaping, and bracelet cuff-making applications. Our set includes 6 concave stakes of varying sizes, 2 cuff stakes, and 4 convex stakes. Use with the included stake holder with a wooden block, enabling secure mounting on your workbench for easy access during metalworking sessions. Crafted from premium hardened steel, each stake in this set exemplifies exceptional strength and resilience, enduring the rigors of demanding metalworking tasks with unwavering durability. Organize your workspace effortlessly with the included wooden stand, providing a convenient storage solution for your bracelet stakes. Elevate your metalworking experience and unleash your artistic potential with this indispensable companion for crafting excellence.